After submitting a spousal sponsorship application, the applicant and sometimes the sponsor may be called for an interview with the visa officer. Spousal sponsorship interviews are generally conducted in order to assess the genuineness of the relationship. Why do you need to prove that your relationship is genuine? Immigration authorities may request to interview the sponsor and the applicant if they have concerns that the relationship was entered into for the purposes of immigration. Another reason for an interview may be that they have concerns about the admissibility of the applicant. Here are some examples of questions that may be asked under these specific categories. When, where, and how did you meet your spouse? How often do you communicate with or see each other? If applicable, how and why did your spouse's previous relationship break down? What future plans do you have? Are you currently expecting a child? Why didn't you choose to marry someone in your own country? Why did you decide to marry your spouse? What is your educational background? What is your partner's educational background? What is the age difference between you and your partner? Who proposed and when did you get married? Who performed the ceremony? Have you lived together? Where do you stay when your spouse is visiting you? What are your personal interests? What is your spouse's daily routine? What does your spouse do for a living? Where does your spouse work? What is the name of the company, the position they hold, and how long have they worked there? What is your spouse's salary? When, where, and how did you meet each other's family members? What are their names and where do they live? If applicable, when, where, and how did you meet your spouse's children from a previous relationship? What are the names and ages of your spouse's children? How often do you communicate with your spouse's children? The immigration law firm of Matthew Jeffrey has over 20 years of experience in guiding individuals through the sponsorship process to ensure success. Fill out our free family sponsorship assessment form to see if we can help you bring your spouse or partner to Canada.